Welcome. My name is Thomas Ledford, aka Taxman 88, and I'm here to share in this video getting ready for the upcoming tax season. We do that now. We don't wait till November or December. We start right now on being ready for the upcoming tax season, which starts in January of 2022. And the reason I say that because there's so many things you need to have done inside your business so you can be ready with confidence in your ability to perform tax preparation and your ability to master the software that we use to do the work in, that takes time. That's to take a commitment on your part, day in and day out, to learn it and learn it and learn it so it becomes a part of who you are. Where if somebody asks you a basic tax question, you can answer that. And if you can't answer that, you tell them, hey, I can't answer that right now. I don't have the answer, but research it right quick for you. I got your name and number. I'm gonna get back with you at my earliest convenience with the appropriate answer. And that's it. And that's all when it comes to that. So when it comes to giving out information, especially for you new folks, don't let your ego convince you to give out an answer that you know your heart don't know the answer to. Just don't do it. Because once you give out an answer to some information and the client takes that information and rely on it and it hurts them in a negative way, then they're gonna let everybody know that don't mess with Bob, Ann, Jill, Tom, whoever your name is, because once they put the word out to their friends, their family, and they're gonna put it out to their friends and their families, you're done in that area, you're done in that community, you're done in that circle. So you don't want to pop yourself off like that. The best thing you can do being new is let people know, hey, I'm new to this, but I got that mentor and a coach I'm working with. Let me write down that question. I'll get back to you at my early convenience with the answer. And if you don't have a tax preparer that you've been going to a tax professional working with, I like to definitely have a chance to get your business this upcoming tax season. So let me research that answer and get back to you. You have a great day, and I'll talk about it with you later. And so basically, that's the simplest scenario that you go with. If somebody asks you a tax question, and you know you don't know it. So when it comes to being ready for the coming up tax season, we want to get started right now. We want to knowledge and skills needed to prepare taxes, the software that we need to do the taxes on. We want to have those down pat. We want to have the confidence in our ability to get the job done with our skills and knowledge, as well as the software we're going to use to make it happen. And that takes time. And so everybody's going to be different. The learning curve for everybody's going to be different based on who you are as an individual. And so I don't know who you are. I don't know what that's going to be for you. Only you'll know that once you embark on this journey. And so if you find out you're the person that, hey, they can pick up this information quickly and interpret it and understand it with no problem, and you want to get all in and go deep, because that's gonna benefit you and having an awesome, successful, profitable first year tax season, then that's what you want to do. And if you got somebody on your team who's knowledgeable and experienced who can help you fast track your success by generating, like I said, 10,000 is a low, ugly number, especially since we're talking about January through October of every year. Out of 10 months, if you can't generate a minimum again of an ugly 10,000, that means you haven't been doing anything inside your tax service. So, like I said again, as an income disclaimer, my results are not typical. The average person getting started will not generate $40,000 in 3 months, let alone 10 months, but it's possible. But I had to get that disclaimer due to legalities for us being in business and working with other people and letting people know what's possible. So when it's all said and done, my mentorship and coaching program is 18-month membership access. I have a few ways you can get started. The first 3 videos, some of them have special promotions that's expired already, but the pages are still live. I'm using Samcart as one of the platforms that I'm selling my products and service on. So if you come across a special promotion that's expired, but you like the bonuses that come with it and you want to take advantage of that, go ahead, pay for it, and I'll reach out to you and we set up our initial coaching call, get to know a little bit about each other, and we move forward on getting you set up and getting started. And so basically that's how that works when it comes to my mentorship and coaching program. And so if you want to definitely get yourself ready and you may already have experience in the industry. You already be working for a tax firm, and you might want to make extra money, but you don't necessarily want to start your own tax service right now. I have alternative option for you, but you have to call me so we can talk about it. And so my contact information is inside all my videos. Pick a video, grab my contact information up, call me. Let's talk about an alternative solution to help you make some extra income in this industry. And this is for people who already got experience with working for a tax firm. And the way that generally works, and just the overview of that is, for people who already got experience who work for a tax firm, a lot of times they got clients that they prepare taxes with year after year after year after year. And so generally, if you decide to start your own tax service, those clients normally follow you because they like you like that. And so if you got enough clients who will follow you like that, you can bring them and partner with me. Well, I'll take a small percentage and you keep the both. We do an 80-20. You keep the 80, I get 20. And so that's my alternative method to help people who are already in the industry make additional income by working and partnering with me for the upcoming tax season. And like I said, to learn more about that, you need to call me up and talk. I don't have a special promotion going on for that. That's strictly one-on-one engagement that needs to take place first when it comes to that type of business model. So when it's all said and done, my mentorship and coaching program offers a full service solution to help you get started, to help take away all the guesswork, to help you with strategic tasks that need to be done that's going to help you be profitable in your first year. That's going to help you to grow your business and take it to a whole nother level by giving you the information you need to have that's going to allow you to implement inside your business to get the results you say you want to have. So if you're tired of trading time for money and you want to get some time freedom and some financial freedom going on, it's possible, but it's going to take time to make it happen. With me, it took me 7 years to get to the point where I had a trusted team of staff members where I no longer had to come in and open up the office. I had a receptionist who I trusted to open up the office for me. And so I got to the point where once that happened, I didn't have to show up at work at all unless I just wanted to. And so that's where you generally want to get to when it comes to starting your own business, especially if you in a service-based business like this, where you're doing all the work yourself, you're self-employed, solopreneur. You definitely want to get to the point where you got a team of people helping you make it happen, where you no longer have to keep trading time for money because now you have some trusted people on your team that's generating revenue for you day in and day out from January to October every year. So when it's all said and done, at least call me up. Let's talk. Let's chat. Let me educate you and show you uh, what it's going to take for you to be successful. What it's going to take for you to get started. What it's going to take for you uh, control this business model to get started with on if this is the right fit for you. What I generally do for new people, I send them over I ask for their email and I send them over actual publications that we use to train from. I actually send them the actual forms we use to learn from as a guide for them to check out to see if there's something they can wrap their mind around and see if there's a good fit for them based on this business model they chose of tax preparation and taxation. Because the new people I work with, I ask them what made you choose this business model because it's not for everybody. And the only way you can find out it ain't for you is to choose it and get all into it and to pursue it and to see how that works for you. So when it's all said and done, these first 4 roles have special promotions in them. Majority of them are all expired, but the pages are still active because I'm using samcock.com as a platform that I use to sell my products and services on. So if you find a special promotion that you're interested in uh, and you want to take action and make that purchase decision before you talk to me, fine. Or if you need to talk to me first before you make a purchase decision, either way you want to do that, that's fine with me. But the bottom line is we need to get started now. We got 6 days left in July. We're going into August. And so that time, before you know it, it'll be December 31st of 2021. And before you look up, tax season be right here. And you'll be looking in the mirror asking what happened. Don't let that happen to yourself. Call me up. Let's talk. Let's chat. Let me educate you. Let me show you. Let me give you the real world information that I give people to let them see if this is the right business model for them to get started with. Because if you have no prior training experience, you don't know. But I'm here to educate you and show you up close and personal if this for you or not. And I'll see you in my next video.